Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.0 on AlmaLinux 9 server. AlmaLinux 9, this is latest release. This is my server IP address. Now I am checking server version and IP address using this command. This is my IP address. Step 1 should be server update and upgrade using this command. Hello, server update done. Now install Zabbix RPM package for download Zabbix 7.0 RPM download done. Now clean DNF clean all, then switch to PHP version 8.2. Press Y for switch to PHP 8.2. Then install Zabbix record package Zabbix server. I am using Nginx webconf. Press Y for accept total install and download. Again press Y for setup Zabbix official repository. Running transition test. Main script installation done. Now install database server and configure root password. Database installation done. Now start MySQL service. Enable MySQL service. Then check status 2 minutes ago. Now going to MySQL terminal. Default MySQL password is blank. This is for MySQL reset password command. Must be replace your password here, and then flash privilege, and now create database for Zabbix user and execute done. Now import default database into your created database, and then password. This is for Zabbix password. Default database import done. Now again login MySQL terminal for disable this option. And then run this command. Okay, now add database name, username and password into Zabbix server conf file. Open this file and then copy and scroll down, going to this section, and should be comment this default setting, and then enter your created DB name, username and password. Then set up Nginx web server. Open this configuration file and remove this hash mark, and then input your server IP address, and this port is 80, default port is 80. Okay, now restart all service using this command, and enable all service using this command. Successfully done. This is firewall settings. This is very important for your Linux AlmaLinux server. Firewall start, successfully start, and then run this command. 80 for web port, 443 for your HTTPS, and this is for data send and get. And next step, AC Linux. Should be AC Linux is status disable. Scroll down and then disable, then save, and now should be reboot your server. Otherwise AC Linux policy don't working. Now start this VM, and next step, access this server IP address and the complete web installation process. This is welcome to Zabbix 7.0. This is next step. All status is okay. Required PHP is 8.0. Required is 8.0. If you see any error from here, so you cannot process next step. This is three important part: database name, user, and Zabbix. Password. So this is for username, and password is password. Zabbix server name, you can enter any name. Pre-installation summary. Next step, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Configuration file saved into this folder. Done. Now after successfully done web installation, then log in to dashboard. Username must be a capital, otherwise cannot log in, and password is Zabbix. This is Zabbix 7.0 dashboard. This is Zabbix version. Status is yes. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel for setup SMTP configuration for using latest media type, and check SNMP, monitoring latest data, add host, setup trigger for mail notify.